Hi everybody, Derek here from Musical Journeys Through Cinema. Today I have with me this Pedigree brand Choice Cuts and Gravy 30 pouch dog food variety pack. These are the 3 flavors this particular box comes in. There are 10 of each. You get the hickory smoked chicken flavor, the filet mignon, and the beef noodles and vegetable flavor. This is all my dog has been eating for most of his life, and he loves it. It's his favorite kind of food. And this is what the inside looks like. You have 30 packs right here. They're all separated by flavor. You have this little cardboard piece separating the middle portion. You can remove that if you want. And these are what the little pouches look like. You just rip it off the top and empty out the food inside. Made with real beef. The recommended feeding instructions are on the back, as well as the ingredients and the expiration dates, as a daily feeding guide. Everything you need to know are on these pouches and on the box. It's the filet mignon pouch. And then you have the hickory smoked chicken flavor. 3 different flavors, 10 pouches of each. 30 pouches altogether. This is what all sides of the box looks like. This is what it will come in. Pretty much the same on all ends. And then you get all the other information on the other side. The ingredients, feeding directions, and all that. You get on the box, you get on the pouches. I highly recommend this brand of dog food. And these pouches work great. Especially for my dog in particular. And I'm sure yours will love it too.